This is Jim. Jim has a nice house. Like his neighbors, Jim pays property taxes every year. But he wonders if these taxes are too high. Jim doesn't know how to find out. Enter FixMyTaxRate.com. FixMyTaxRate.com helps homeowners just like Jim find out if they are overpaying property tax. We do this by discovering if the government miscalculated the tax and then fighting for a reduction. The National Taxpayers Union estimates about 60% of homes are overtaxed. This happens when wrong or incomplete information is used to assess the property. FixMyTaxRate.com finds the evidence needed to appeal the tax and then works to get it lowered. This can lead to significant savings year after year. Now, thanks to FixMyTaxRate.com, Jim is happy because he isn't overpaying tax on his nice home. Way to go, Jim! To find out if a tax challenge is right for you, get started for free by entering your property address below.